everybody, good morning. My name is Dr. Kristen Winnett, and I'm going to be your professor for the next 7.5 weeks as we explore grammar and editing in context. This is English 217, and I wanted to just spend a couple minutes welcoming you all to the course, showing you a couple quick things, and getting you on your way. I will post a more comprehensive overview of the course and how to read the syllabus and everything when we actually start, but I wanted to just go ahead and welcome you all. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the course. This is going to be our homepage for our D2L course, and I just wanted to show you 3 things today. Number 1, how to sign up for notifications, so you'll get them to your email whenever I post an announcement. How to find your textbooks and syllabus in case you want to get started on that, and then how to kind of figure out where some other things are in case you're curious and want to poke around. So this is the announcement section where I'll be posting videos, walkthroughs of things, weekly updates, digests, stuff like that. So it's really important that you get notifications when I post these. So if you click on the downward triangle here, you can go to notifications, and if you do that, you can scroll down to see that you will get email notifications to your email. You can also choose your mobile number if you want text messages too. And then the ones that I really recommend getting are announcements, new announcement available. I always have that one checked. And then for me, I like to know when someone's responded to something that I said in a discussion. So I always subscribe to them. That way I know if someone's responded to me. So I always click that one as well. And then you can save that and you will have that ready. You can also add, like I said, other things, and grades are updated or things like that if you want to. So I'll be posting, like I said, all the videos and everything there as we go through the course. So the second thing I want to show you guys is where to get your textbooks and syllabus. If you go to content, this is where most of our course is going to basically live. Think about it as like a giant book table of contents. I know every professor does this slightly differently. So if you go to the content section here, you'll see a table of contents here. And I have a start here page, which just kind of talks a little bit about what this course is, what the course objectives are, a little overview of the table of contents, and then my email. So I want you to take a look at that. But as far as our quick, introduction here, here's our syllabus and course calendar. If you click on it, it's going to take you to a Google Doc, which we use pretty much exclusively in this course. So here you'll see the course syllabus. We'll go over this again, I said, in more detail in the next video, but just so you know it's there, you can start looking through it. The calendar is at the back, as you can see there. And then the second thing I wanted to show you is the textbooks. So if syllabus and assignment sheets are here, course materials, links to stuff is where you'll find my biography, our shared Google Drive, and then links to the 2 textbooks that we're using, Holmes' Understanding English Grammar. I sent you guys an email earlier in the week, but if you haven't seen it yet or you didn't have a chance to look at it, you can get either the print or digital textbook. But if you do, I would recommend using the Vital Source, which is going to give you a pretty big discount. You can download it, you can read it offline, you can highlight in there, you can also have a read aloud function if you need that. So that's here, that's Understanding English Grammar. It's a wonderful book. It will change your life, I think, once you start learning all the cool stuff in there. And the other accompanying book is Williams' Style Lessons in Clarity and Grace. This is also a fabulous book. And so you can get it in print or online, and that's what it looks like. So that's the second thing. What was the third thing? Oh, and then if you wanted to go ahead and kind of see how our course is organized, you can see we have 3 modules throughout the next 7.5 weeks, and every module is going to be arranged into days. So you'll see here week 1, week 2, week 3, and each link is going to take you to the activities for that day. So that's all I have for you guys now. I hope you're all doing well and having a great summer, and I look forward to seeing you in the forums. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me or set up a Zoom meeting with me. I'm always available, and I look forward to it. See ya!